Hello and welcome to the NetPicks channel. Today we're going to be talking about a debit spread and what a debit spread actually is. So in this example, we're using the thinkorswim platform. I'm using the ticker SPY, and we're going to talk about how a debit spread works and what it actually is. Now, as the name implies, a debit spread is a debit. So if you spend 50 cents on a contract or $50, then that is the most that you can lose in this particular trade. And as for spread, that is the type of strategy that we're applying. So let's look at what it actually looks like on the platform. So using SPY, we would first put in the ticker. We would choose a vertical because that's what it is. A spread is considered a vertical. And then we would choose the strikes that we're going to use. If we were going to look at a bullish debit spread, and price is currently trading at about 702.40, we could select a 702, buy a 702 call, and sell a 703 call. That is the spread. The most that we could pay for that is whatever we decide we want to pay over here in the limit. So if I put 50 cents and were to send this order, then our maximum loss on this trade is $50 plus whatever the commissions and fees are associated with your broker. Again, with the debit spread, when we set it up, the most that we can lose is whatever we pay. So if price right now is currently about 50 cents, then we can set that limit. If we wanted to enter this trade, we'd spend $50. The max that we can make is the difference of what we spent and what the spread width is. So in this case, it's always $1 or higher. So $100, we spent $50. If we get above 703, we would close this trade in profit, or if it expired and we wanted to close the trade, then the max that we would make is $50 on this particular trade. So again, the most you can lose is whatever the debit is you pay. The most you can make is whatever this spread is down here that you have in the trade. Now we could widen this out. Let's say we wanted to go up a little bit higher and make it $2 wide. Then our cost would be about 86 cents. And that's, if we paid that as a debit, we could make as much as $200 on this trade minus what we paid. So about $114, $115. And we can adjust these strikes to be as wide or as narrow as we like. As minimum is $1 wide, and there is no max. So that's what makes up a debit spread.